Hey everybody, it's DWolfe with Redefy Real Estate. That's right, it's not Town Real Estate Group anymore. It's Redefy Real Estate. Flat fee, full service, $2,500. Happy to help you get your home sold. We're going to look at some numbers for the month of January 2016, and you're going to see why your home will sell quickly if it's priced right because of what these numbers are going to show. And there's no reason to pay more than a flat fee for the full service that we bring to the table for you. So we're going to get right to the numbers. All right, so getting right to the numbers now, you can see here for the month of January, City of Norfolk, 1,248 properties on the market. That number is off 11.17% versus last year at this time. So inventory definitely down versus last January for the City of Norfolk. 159 properties did sell though, and that number's up 4.61%. So inventory down, but properties are selling higher than they were last year as far as at a rate, a unit count, as well as a median sold price, 169, which is 11% higher than last year at this time. So everything is pointing for the City of Norfolk that it's a pretty good seller's market. Not super strong, but a pretty good seller's market, giving us a month's inventory of 5.21 months of inventory, meaning if nothing else got listed, it would take about 5 months for our inventory to completely liquidate itself in the City of Norfolk. Looking at Virginia Beach, 2,295 properties listed in the month of January. That was our active inventory. That number also down 3.61% versus last January. So once again, we see listing inventory is less than it was a year ago for the City of Virginia Beach. Number of units sold though, 345, and that number up 11.65%. So homes are selling in Virginia Beach. And we don't have a lot to sell. We have less than we had last year. They're holding pretty much their own on sales price though, $238,000, and that's a 0.56, so not even a 1% increase over last year at this time. So good news for Virginia Beach. If you're a seller, your home's going to sell. It'll sell relatively quickly. It'll sell for a little bit more than it did last year at this time. Obviously, all this depends specifically on the house and the neighborhood, but only 4.1 months of inventory. And that means we're really getting closer and closer to a stronger seller's market than just a good seller's market. This right here tells you in Virginia Beach, you don't need to do a lot of magic to get your home sold. You need to price it right. You need a good comparative market analysis to understand what it's worth. You need exposure on our multiple listing system and on all the real estate search engines. Get it out there, get a maximum exposure with lots of excellent quality high photos, and your house will sell in a very realistic market time. Obviously depends on where your house is, what your neighborhood is, but these numbers just don't lie. It's math. City of Chesapeake, very much like the City of Virginia Beach, 1,482 properties were on active listings in the month of January in Chesapeake. That number also down 3.89%, but 217 units sold. That's 8.5% more than last year that sold at for the month of January. And look at this, median sold price up $239,990, 12.9% increase in median sold price for the City of Chesapeake. And look, 4.58 months of inventory. Chesapeake, Virginia Beach, very, very similar. It doesn't take a lot to get your home sold, but you need to have a good market analysis. We definitely do that for you. A very strong, solid market analysis and exposure. And outside of that, this bad boy is going to sell relatively quickly. Obviously, there's some other things that you need to talk to us about to get your home sold fast, but there's no reason why it won't move quickly. We're going to be back next month. We'll be looking at the month of February. Make it a great day. Call us if you need us. DWolfe, Redefy Real Estate. My direct number, 515-4728. Happy to help you.